Hey yo, what's poppin' everyone? So today, types of aux cord users. Now I was scrolling through YouTube and I found this video called types of aux cord users. And I was like, why don't I do that? So that's what I have for you today. If you guys do like this video, make sure to give it a like and remember to subscribe. And without further ado, let's go. The one who listens to country music.
Ready for the mall?
You mean the ranch? Listen to this bad boy.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low.
The heavy metal kids. You want the aux?
Hell yeah.
Alright, bet. Let's get the show on the road.
Let's go!
The one who has broken speakers. You want the aux?
Oh yeah, totally.
Alright then.
There's a new Justin Bieber song. Oh, sick.
Sick?
Listen, listen.
Yeah, I've heard it.
You can turn it up if you want. You know.
Let's see. Actually, there's something wrong with it. I think this is as loud as it goes. Yeah.
Okay.
The one who plays Baby Shark.
Yo, you want the aux this time?
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, get it lit in here. I'm
Dude,
ready.
it's about to be a furnace in here. Check this thing out. Here we go. The one who likes to destroy everyone's eardrum, also known as the bass booster. You want to give us a boost?
No, bet.
Alright.
Did I really just forget that melody? When I then you go just a
The depressed one.
It's been a long
Are
day.
you okay, dude?
Yeah, I'm okay, yeah.
My friend.
Maybe play a different song. Something more upbeat.
A different song?
Yeah.
Let's see what I got.
Long way.
Maybe not this one. You got anything else?
A different one? Another one?
Yeah. Try to be happy.
Let's see. The one who yells the lyrics. You can have the aux this time.
Sick. I know the perfect song.
Oh, sick. Alright, cool. Oh, this is a classic. This is a banger.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Whoa! The way that things have been. Whoa! Second thing second.
The one who can't stick to one song.
Wait, actually. This is the vibe right
okay.
now. The vibe. Wait, just kidding.
Yeah.
No, come on. Hey,
Okay.
yeah, feeling it.
Okay.
Actually, new Jonas Brothers.
Can you like keep it to one song, please?
Alright.
Alright. Thank you.
No flaws. I'm not trying to.
I said one song.
I'm sorry.
The white girl.
Oh, dude, let me plug my phone in, please. Please.
You want to control the aux?
I got the jams.
Are you sure?
This playlist is ready.
Okay, just none of that white girl music. You know?
Alright, no promises though.
Okay.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
The one who doesn't believe in aux chords.
Hey, you got an aux?
No, I don't use one.
Oh, okay, it's a good thing I brought mine.
Oh, no. We don't use those. Radio only, boy.
But I had some good songs.
Listen to the static, my friends.
When you don't have an aux cord, so you have to listen to radio music, but there's no signal. The one who has the GPS on and you can barely hear the music.
Make a right turn at this stop sign. Make a left turn. Continue 800 feet. Wait, I messed up. Go back. Make a U-turn. Rerouting. Rerouting. Rerouting.
Wait.
Rerouting to New Mexico.
New
Go
Mexico?
back. Make a left. No.
Making a
Right
left?
turn. Make a left in negative 300 miles.
Negative's not even a thing.
Rerouting to Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Go over the ocean.
Ocean.
Subscribe to Durka channel.
The one who is classy.
Yo, pass the aux.
You sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
trust me.
The lit one.
I'm so